A foreign key constraint refers to a primary key constraint. This is needed because there will be situations where a data set must be a subset of another data set. It cannot have any other values. For example, when a company allocates parking spaces to its employees, then it needs to make sure that the parking spaces are allocated to its employees only and not to anyone else, even by mistake. So the parking space allocation has to be a subset of employees' data. This can be implemented by using foreign key constraints. From the previous video, we know that the values in cons1 table are 1 and 2. Now, let me create another table called cons2. Create table cons2, call 1 number constraint cons2 underscore fk foreign key, call 1 references cons1 call 1. Here I am specifying the constraint name as cons2 underscore fk and also the type as foreign key. However, when I do that, I am also specifying the column name. The column name is call11, which I am just creating as a part of this cons2 table. I also mentioned that call11 references call1 of cons1 table. What this means is call11 of cons2 table references call1 of cons1 table. In the database world, this is also called as parent-child relationship. Call11 of cons2 table is a child to call1 of cons1 table. Or they may simply say cons2 table is a child to cons1 table. Let us query the cons1 table. One and 2. This is the parent dataset. Remember this. Again, this is the parent dataset, which is 1 and 2. Let us also query the cons2 table. No rows in there as expected. Now let me insert number 1 into cons2. It works because 1 is part of the parent dataset, which is 1 and 2. Verify it. 1 got inserted. Now let me insert 3 in cons2 now. It fails because 3 is not part of the parent dataset, which is 1 and 2. One and 2 is the parent dataset. Now let me insert 2 into cons2. It works because 2 is part of the parent dataset. Let us verify the data 1 and 2. This is how a simple primary key and foreign key relationship works. Thank you for watching.